Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. I'm not getting ready for a football game. This is actually dirt. Yep, I had to do a video today because I'm removing a floor that I've never seen anything like. It is so bad. This is one for the record books. So let's take a look at it.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Red 20 floor. Ah, that's nice and moldy, huh? When you can kick through a wood floor, when you can kick it to remove it, it's bad. Oh my god, it's actually stuck. It's actually taking the floor with it. It's so stuck. I can kick my way. Dust in the floor. Dust in the floor. Well, I've never seen anything like that. That is just letting a floor go just a little too far. When a floor gets wet, you have to remove it. You don't ever let it get to that point because I'm sure there's mold spores and it's nasty, and I wouldn't want to be living and breathing that in as long as it took to get to that state. So that's bad. That didn't happen overnight. That takes probably months, years, a year at least to get that bad and just disintegrate. I've seen lots of water damage and I've never seen anything quite like that. So I thought I would just share that and show what happens when a wood floor gets really wet and you leave it and don't do anything about it. Don't ever let your floor get to that point. You don't want to be breathing in dust and particles and mold when you're living in a room like that. So keep that in mind and be safe, and don't ever let that happen in your home. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl. Plus we do my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.